Okay, quick question, what if your first $1,000 isn't sitting in some new job you haven't found yet? What if it's hiding in the few free hours you already have this week? Crazy thought, right? Most people think they need some genius business idea. Truth is, they just need to start. So here's step 1, stop hunting for the perfect side hustle. That thing doesn't exist. Instead, find a problem you can solve. Can you write? Edit video? Whip up a decent logo? Tutor someone? Walk a dog? Grab groceries for a neighbor who's slammed? People pay for convenience every single day. You don't need to invent the next big thing. You just need to make someone's life a little easier. Step 2, and this one trips people up, forget your first $1,000. Chase your first customer instead. Here's what happens, some people spend 3 weeks building a website, picking fonts, perfecting their logo. Meanwhile, someone else just started today, and they're getting paid this week. Wild, right? Your first customer will teach you more in one conversation than a month of planning ever could. Let me tell you about my friend. He wanted extra cash but kept waiting for the right idea to just show up. It never did. So one day, he just started offering something he already knew how to do. No fancy plan. His first payment? Not huge. But it proved something big, people would actually pay him. Then one customer became 3, 3 became 5. A few months later, boom, $1,000. Not because he had it all figured out. Because he simply started. So here's the real lesson, your first $1,000 doesn't come from some overnight dream. It comes from solving small problems, again and again. Pick one skill. Find one customer. Do great work. Repeat. That's it. If this hit home, hit subscribe, I'm dropping more simple money tips like this. And tell me in the comments, what's one skill you already have that could make you extra cash this month?